It's your brother Kia, man. And we back with another motherfucking video. You did? Y'all see by the title, bro. As y'all know, I ain't gonna speak your head if I ain't gonna do none of that. We just finna get straight to the motherfucking video. But yeah, y'all see by the title. Let's get straight to the motherfucking God.
No mercy.
As y'all see by the title, I'm gonna be giving y'all a tutorial because I got niggas ask me how I got my hair like that, how I whoop the whoop. They're like, damn, your shit grow fast, your shit locked up, all that shit. Well, I got a little bit of shit that's locked up right now. I got some little shit that's locked up. Y'all probably can't see. I'm finna turn the light on real quick. I'll be back. Alright, but cool. Nigga, as y'all see, I got some shit locked up. And my shit ain't done right now because I was gonna save it just to do the fucking video for y'all niggas, just to show y'all how this shit really work and how that shit, you know what I'm saying, goes. But, nigga, I been getting niggas asking, damn, how you got my shit like that? How you get your hair like that? Ooh, 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 ooh. That shit, I'm finna get a tutorial how I did my fucking hair. Whole time, I ain't gonna lie to you, I just sat back, just let the motherfucker go. I was just playing with my shit whole time. And then, nigga, I fucked around and got some dreads. I got some starter dreads again, because I cut my fucking dreads off. My shit was long. I'm finna pop up a picture. But nigga, I got some starter dreads, let them shit stay in my fucking head for like 2 weeks. And that shit, I don't know. But yeah, I'm finna show y'all how they motherfucking get these motherfucking freeforms, so-called freeforms. You know what I'm saying? So, let's get to the motherfucking shit right motherfucking now. And really, this shit finna be short and basic, bro. You can either use a brush, nigga, a soft brush. The soft brush down, this shit kind of feel hard. With a soft brush, nigga, or whatever this shit is called, fucking Kiss Colors and Care. Shit, whatever that shit called, bro. My partner gave me this shit. He let me use this shit. And this shit really work. Wear no bullshit. Like, this shit really work. But, I really use this. But if I ain't got this, I use this shit. Or you can use a towel, but the towel don't work. I don't like the towel method. I don't like that shit. So I stick to this. Or if I ain't got this, I'ma use this shit. But what you wanna do is, get you some motherfucking, get you some locking grease, nigga. I got this motherfucking, get you some locking grease. You feel me? Get some locking grease. You know what I'm saying? And oh yeah, for your shit to grow for real, you know what I'm saying? You can use some of this motherfucker right here. You know what I'm saying? Put that shit in your scalp. Rub that shit in. And your shit gonna be grown by the night. I'm just bullshitting, but you know, get you some of this so your shit can grow like mine. And you look like me. You did? But get you some of this though. Not too much. But I'm gonna get it like this much cause I got a bunch of hair. So rub this shit in. Watch this shit though. Watch this shit. You know what I'm saying? Put this shit in my hair. I look like a mess, nigga. I need to talk. But put that shit in my motherfucking head, nigga. You can either use your brush or you can use this motherfucker. No sponge though. Do not use no sponge, fam. Anything, do not use no motherfucking sponge, fam. I'd rather want you to use your motherfucking hands than a sponge, cause that shit do not fucking work most of the time. Do not use no fucking sponge, bro. Dead ass. But nigga, I'm gonna use both of these just so I can show y'all. So we gonna do the brush first, and we just gonna rotate shit like it's a sponge basically, but you know what I'm saying, everywhere. You did, so they do it.
A few moments later.
Alright, so boom, y'all see, it did a little something. It did some shit, boy. Now, I'm finna use this motherfucker right here. Now I'm finna show y'all how to. Yo, watch this shit. Right, so we back. Now we finna use this motherfucker right here. Now what you do the same shit as you did with the motherfucking brush. Shit, go well with this shit. Watch this shit.
A few moments later.
Now, your shit look crazy as hell. You did. Now, let that shit sit. Man, let that shit grow. But when you sleep, make sure you put like a fucking bunny on or some shit, and then double back and put this shit back in your head and wake up. Some same shit, but I prefer y'all to use this motherfucker. This shit really work, no bullshit. Y'all can get this shit at Walmart. I'm gonna put it in the description and shit, so y'all can go get y'all one. You know what I'm saying? But that's it for the motherfucking vid. If y'all like this motherfucking video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification button so y'all be notified when new vid drop. And yo, look here out there, motherfucker. I'm fuck with y'all. So let me really show y'all how this shit really looks for real. You know what I'm saying? That shit should look like motherfucking shit turds coming at your motherfucking head. You know what I'm saying? But hell yeah, boy. Look here out there, big man. I'm fuck with y'all. Fuck niggas later.